Hey, this is Gary. I'm here to review the chainsaw safety requirements and features with you on the STIHL MS 140 Charlie. One of the most important chainsaw safety features is the chain brake, which stops the movement of the chain in the event of a kickback during operation. When engaged, the chain brake stops the chain from rotating around the saw's guide bar. The throttle and lock safety feature prevents accidental throttle engagement. Both the throttle and lock must be pressed in order for the chain to move. The chain catcher helps prevent the chain being thrown back towards the user if the chain breaks or becomes derailed. The rear end guard protects the user's right hand from being struck by a snapped or derailed chain. Whenever operating a chainsaw, you want to ensure you have the minimal personal protective equipment. This includes safety glasses, hearing protection, and gloves. When trimming or cutting something above your head, wear a hard hat to reduce the risk of serious injury.